When we talk about secularism, we think of major one party is Congress. The next comes Janata Dal Secular. Here, Muslims are really confused. Like this time Congress has given almost 15 tickets to Muslims, and whereas JDS given 20 plus tickets to Muslims. So how do people should judge and vote for this election?
You see, people knows that Congress is a national party and the issues relating to Muslim minorities is a national issue, not a state issue. So the question is our constitutional rights, our obligations, and the frustration the community is feeling, which cannot be cannot be solved by JDS. JDS is after all a regional party. They are even suppose if they give even 21 or even 50 seats, they should win, na? So far, not a single from last 15-20 years, they have given tickets. Not a single person has won the assembly seats. And Congress has given 15 seats, and all out of them 7 are sitting, and MLAs for several years. And it is Congress which is giving a Muslim representation, and Muslims are represented only by the Congress. There is by voting, Muslims are not confused. It is the JDS who is trying to confuse. Muslims are determined. They know it is only Congress which can fight Narendra Modi, and it is JDS. If circumstances are they will go and join them. So the people, you see, these political parties should not think that the people are ignorant, people are not educated with their false propaganda like this. They will they know what is right, what is good for them, and there is absolutely there is no confusion among the Muslims. Absolutely no confusion.